Talofa. I'm Masina.
And I am Fitu.
This is our beautiful Samoa. Are you all ready for an adventure here? Then let's call Toa and Kappa.
Talofa, I'm Toa. Are you ready to learn about natural disasters?
Yes!
Then let's go!
Catch it, Kappa.
Hey, I was not ready.
Okay, I will throw it again.
Oh, Kappa, what's wrong?
Oh, it's too dry. My head is cracking.
Oh, are you okay, Kappa? Why is your head cup cracked?
Oh, Kappa needs water quickly. Let's take him inside the office.
What happened to Kappa, Toa? Is he gonna be okay?
Kappa's head cap cracks and he becomes very weak when it's dry. He'll be fine. He just needs to cool off with water.
What is that calendar? Why are there lots of cracked head caps in the months of May to October?
Because in this month, Samoa is in dry season. Kappa's head cap gets easily cracked in dry season.
I feel good, and I know that I should. So good, like any hero would. Kids, do you have any food?
Wow, Kappa, you're looking good. It is nice to see you well.
We were so worried about you.
No worries, kids. I just needed a shower. I was feeling so dry. I wonder why.
Kappa, if you only pay attention to the weather data we gather, you'll know it's the dry season now. Then you could have been more careful.
Sorry, Toa. I promised to take care of my head cap.
Not only that, you should also know about our weather and climate in Samoa. Then you can always be weather prepared.
We want to be weather prepared too, Toa.
Yes, Toa. I don't like my head to crack like Kappa's.
Of course, kids. Then let's learn about Samoa's climate now.
Sure, Toa.
You see, Samoa has two seasons, the dry season and the wet season. The dry season from May to October and the wet season is from November to April. On an average, we receive 75% of Samoa's total annual rainfall in the wet season.
Toa, I always wondered what makes our seasons.
Oh no, so sad. You don't even know what makes our seasons? That is sad.
Okay, Kappa, why don't you tell her?
Well, Samoa seasons is
You forgot. Start at your finish, Kappa. We better learn about it.
I didn't forget. I mean, the cracked head may have evaporated my memories.
Chill Phoenix, Kappa.
Oh yeah, chill Phoenix. See, I forgot. Ka-ba-ba.
Where are we going, Toa?
Today, we will go somewhere very special.
Really? Where, Toa?
Today, we are going to the space.
Really? Wow!
Kappa, take us to the space.
Ka-ba-ba. Here we go. Hang on, everyone. We will blast off. Ka-ba-ba.
is amazing!
The earth is so beautiful.
Indeed it is. Kappa, turn on the SPC Sage simulation.
Ga-ba-ba!
What's SPCZ?
SPCZ is the short version of South Pacific Convection Zone. It is a long band of clouds extending thousands of kilometers.
Now I remember. This cloud band is important to understand why we have 2 seasons, right?
You're right, Kappa. SPCZ's position and activity determines our climate.
See? I remembered! Cause my head cracks are healing.
Whatever. But look over here. SPCZ brings rain when it's over our country. It is usually from November to April. But when it's far or weak, usually from May to October, then we have dry months. That is why every year we have 2 distinct seasons.
Oh, the wet and dry seasons.
Thank you for telling us, Toa.
Yep, thanks, Toa. Now let's get back to the Earth and have ice cream.
Whoa! Hold on, Kappa. I'm not yet finished. What is the hurry?
Ice cream is the hurry. I wanted to have as much ice cream before dry season ends.
Don't worry, Kappa. You will have plenty of time to have ice cream. Because probably this year we will face El Nino.
El Nino? What's that?
Kappa, why don't you run the El Nino and La Nina simulation?
Ga-ba-ba!
You know, in Samoa, we don't always face the same climate every year. Because sometimes we face different climate pattern named El Nino or La Nina.
El Nino means deeper crack head cap.
What does he mean, Toa?
You see, Masina, in El Nino year, the South Pacific Convection Zone or SPCZ cloud band usually move north and eastward from its normal position. As a result, dry season becomes drier and wet season gets more frequent cyclones in Samoa.
Oh, that's not good.
Not only that, if El Nino is severe, the cloud band can move up to 1,000 kilometers north. Then there is risk of drought and sometimes forest fire can happen.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, and also there is the La Nina.
Okay, what's La Nina?
During La Nina, the SPCZ cloud band usually intensifies and lays southwest of its average position. So La Nina usually brings wetter weather than normal to Samoa. These 2 patterns basically occur every few years like a seesaw.
Now do you understand, kids? What El Nino and La Nina are?
Yes, totally.
Then back to Earth for ice cream.
No, not yet, Kappa.
Not yet. Why?
Because there is one very important thing about climate that I want you all to know.
What is it, Toa?
Is there something wrong?
In fact, there is. Kappa, why don't you take us further into space and I'll tell you about it.
Sure, Toa. Sure.
Do you see that? What a beautiful blue planet we live in.
Yes, it is, Toa.
Very beautiful.
With many ice cream shops.
But you know the sad thing is, our planet is suffering a lot.
How? What's happening?
Too much pollution is harming our environment. As a result, our climate is changing.
How is it changing, Toa?
Kappa and I have been collecting weather data for many years. We have observed the temperature is rising. This is called global warming.
Toa, what happens when the temperature rises?
What else? Ice cream melts faster.
It's not about that, Kappa. Actually, many environmental problems may arise because of global warming.
Really? You mean the weather will be too hot to live?
Not only that, Masina. Because of climate change, many other changes will take place. Here, let me show you some of the things that may happen because of climate change. Because of climate change, extreme weather like heavy rain and severe drought will be more extreme.
Eek! My head will crack more.
Rainfall will be more severe. As a result, flash flood will happen more often.
Not good.
Not only that, because of the heat waves, crops will be damaged.
That means shortage of food. Oh, so bad.
Also, because of the change in climate, cyclones will become more stronger.
That's not good for Samoa.
Another great danger is seawater level rise. Because ice in the polar region is melting, so smaller islands like Samoa will be in danger.
That's indeed dangerous.
Yes, and the result will be sad too, because sea level rise will wash out some of the most beautiful beaches of Samoa.
These are not good at all. We don't want to lose our beaches.
Exactly. As you see, rising temperature will bring many dangerous events for us.
We have to stop it. Why is temperature rising, Toa?
It is rising because too much pollution is increasing the greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases? What's that?
Yes, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and so on. Kappa, turn on the greenhouse gas simulation.
Ga-ba-ba.
See in here? The Earth's atmosphere naturally includes greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases actually help our Earth to have nice climate by trapping heat.
So greenhouse gases are good then?
Yes, they are. Otherwise, our planet will freeze. But since mid-18th century, these greenhouse gases have increased too much in the Earth's atmosphere. As a result, they trap more heat. So the temperature rises.
Oh, but what increases the greenhouse gases?
Mainly pollution by human activities, like smokes from factories, smoke from cars, burning fossil fuel like petroleum and diesel, greatly increases the greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. Besides that, consuming too much power also indirectly contributes to increased greenhouse gases.
We have to fight pollutions then.
Yes, we have to save Samoa.
That's the spirit. Everyone should be our Earth's helper against climate change.
I can help too. I love the earth like Toa.
Sure you can, Kappa. I cannot save the Earth alone. I need everybody's help. Kappa, let's go back to Earth and see what Samoans are doing to help our country from climate change.
Let's go. Ga-ba-ba.
Here we are, flying over Samoa. Our Joe Phoenix will point out the clean energy sources that helps protect our planet. Start targeting, Kappa.
What are those, Toa?
Those are solar panels. They get energy from the sun and convert into electricity, which we can use for our house. This energy source is clean and renewable. No greenhouse gas is created.
Wow, that is amazing. I will tell Grandpa to put one on our house roof.
That's good. Samoa is blessed with strong sunshine, so solar panel is really helpful.
What are those?
Those are wind generators. They can change wind energy into electricity. That is also clean and renewable energy. See this place? This place uses waste like coconut shells and other biodegradable things and convert them into electricity. It's called biomass energy, which is much better than using fossil fuel.
Interesting.
See that bus? That uses electricity to run. Clean energy. They don't burn fossil fuel, which increases greenhouse gases.
What is that, Toa?
I don't know. Is that
An ice cream van. I programmed it also to today. An ice cream van. Woo-hoo! Let's go down.
Oh, Kappa. Okay, let's get down.
Ga-ba-ba. It's so good to be back in this yummy earth.
It is indeed good to be back.
Yes, it is. By the way, do you know trees are the true heroes of Samoa? They defend us from too much carbon dioxide in the air.
They do?
Yes, they are our silent guardian heroes. They work as the lungs of the planet and clean up carbon dioxide.
That's why I love trees. And I want to save them from cutting.
That's very good, Kappa.
We did not know these things before, Toa. Thanks for letting us know.
You are very welcome. Always remember 4 important points. Kappa, give me the weather bed. To be a true Earth's helper, you have to remember the following things. Number 1, try to use clean and renewable energy source, like solar and wind energy and also biomass energy. Number 2, avoid using dirty energy sources like fossil fuel that produces greenhouse gases. Number 3, never consume always too much energy as it indirectly harms our planet. Number 4, do not unnecessarily cut trees, because trees are the defenders of the environment.
It is good to know that we can do something to help Samoa from climate change.
Before you go, I want to give you this bracelet of Earth's helpers. Each symbol in the bracelet will remind you of the 4 important things to save the Earth.
We are Earth's helpers. Kappa.
Thank you, Grandpa, for helping us to install the solar panels.
I'm glad that you suggested it, kids.
From now on, we will also use clean energy.
I also want to be Earth's helper. If kids like you get aware, then we can surely fight against climate change.
We sure can!
I'm glad to see that Vitu and Marcina are already taking action to save the planet.
Yes, and hopefully they will spread the message to all of their friends and make more Earth's helpers.